Hello my crafty friends, it's Ellie from Periwinkle Matilda, and I'm here to do a quick flip through of the Altered Little Golden Book Polly's Pet using Christmas Kittens digital kit that I have listed in my Etsy shop. There will be a link below for the kit if you're interested in purchasing and making your own journal. But I will have this little golden book journal finished and listed in my Etsy shop, and I'll also include a link for the listing in the description box. So this is the journal, and I did make a cute little tassel. It is detachable. There's a little jingly bell, and there's a lot of really nice fibers, and I included a cute blown glass snowman. It's adorable. So that's that. We'll open it up, and I'll do a quick flip through. Triple pocket with 4 tags in the first pocket, 3 tags in the second pocket with writing space on the back, of course. And another tag in the back, big long tag. Quite a bit of journaling space in this, and I did leave quite a few pages unembellished, so you can embellish and decorate to make it your own. I made fabric ruffles out of the same fabric that is used to cover the cover. I did some stenciling throughout. The entire Little Golden Book pages are intact. The story is in order in the book, so it is readable. And because of the new way that I discovered to alter the book cover, I was able to make it so I didn't have to cut the pages down, which is really nice. Here's a pocket with a card that you can journal on. I added some pom-pom trim. I think it's adorable. This pocket has 2 journaling cards and a tag. Coffee dyed paper throughout. Here's a little flip out with extra journaling space. There's another little tag. Here's a belly band with a little file folder notebook. Lots of coffee dyed lined paper that you can journal on. Fits nicely in the belly band. Here's another pocket with a journaling card and a journaling tag. And a little charm Christmas tree. Here's another pocket, a tall pocket with a bookmark. You can journal on that. Here's a little envelope. And in the envelope is a tag that you can journal on. 2 more tags. Actually, there's another tag, a cute little heart paper clip There's another tag in the back here that can be journaled on. Adorable book pages. Polly's pet, he goes on a trip. There's another side pocket with a tag. Some more stenciling. Then we're into the second signature, and I forgot to mention there are 2 signatures. Another card you can journal on. Another little envelope with a tag and one in the back. I put a tag inside as well. Okay, this pocket has a tag used for a tuck and 2 journaling cards. And then there are 3 journaling cards and another bookmark. Really cute Christmas kitties. So cute. I didn't count how many pages, but the listing will have the number of pages, of course. Here's another tag used for a tuck. 2 journaling cards. Here's another charm, a snowflake. Another belly band with another little file folder. Coffee dyed lined paper for journaling. Cute little notebook. Another flip out with lots more journaling space. Coffee dyed paper. Comes back home, and his family's so happy to have him back home. So cute. Another side pocket with a tag. Now he's not so happy to be home, and he remembers why he left. And another pocket in the back with 2 more journaling cards. So that's the flip through. I hope you enjoyed it. Until the next video, stay safe, be well, take care, and bye-bye, my friends.